Good morning. My name is Casey Parker, and I'm proud to serve as principal here at Calhoun High School. Today, we present our 2023 Homecoming King and Queen Court. Our MCs this morning are Kevin Jones, Senior Class President, and Matt Scoggins, Student Body President. We would like to thank our parents for their continued support, our administrators and teachers, Mr. Skylar Benham, our student government advisor, and the homecoming committee for their hard work in helping make our homecoming memories. Now I will turn our ceremony over to our announcers. Thank you.
Welcome to the second and final assembly for Homecoming 2023. This morning we will be presenting each grade level's representative. Then we will present the Homecoming King and Queen courts. All students in grades 9th through 12th will vote for Queen and King during advisement. And now your freshman class representative. The freshman representative is Miss Bailey Williams. Bailey is the daughter of Kip and Trish Williams. She has one brother, Ben, who is a senior at CHS, and a twin sister, Brooke, who is a freshman at CHS. She is a member of the CHS softball team and Georgia Power softball organization. She is also a member of CHS FFA and Skills USA. Bailey is a member of Gordon County 4-H, where she is a national champion and 4-H master in goats. Bailey enjoys shopping, hanging out with her friends, and the beach in her free time. Bailey would like to thank the freshman class for choosing her as the homecoming representative. Freshman class representative, Miss Bailey Williams.
Next, meet your sophomore class representative, Miss Creighton Morgan. Creighton is the daughter of Julie Morgan and Luke Morgan. She has 5 sisters, Carolina, Kennedy, Carmen, Gracie, Zoe, and one brother, Stover. Creighton is an FCA leader, class secretary, and is involved in Sources of Strength. She attends Roberts Community Church, where she is a part of a small group. She is also on the varsity soccer and volleyball teams. In her free time, she works at Chick-fil-A, spends time with her family, and goes to Sonic with her friends. She wants to thank God, her family, and her friends for always supporting her. She also wants to thank the class of 2026 for nominating her and giving her this opportunity. Sophomore class representative, Miss Creighton Morgan.
Our last grade level representative is junior class representative, Miss Shania Dorsey. Shania is the daughter of Anthony and Jasmine Francis, as well as the late Bryant Gamble. She has 2 sisters, Tiziah, who attends Calhoun Primary, and Olivia, who attends Basila. Shania is a member of the CHS varsity girls basketball team, and she is also a basketball cheerleader. 2 of her main goals this year are to win the region and state championship in girls basketball. Shania has had many favorite teachers, but she wants to give a shout out to the custodian, Mr. Bill, and kindness that rubs off on her each day. After high school, Shania wants to play college basketball. She wants to thank the class of 2025 for another great opportunity to represent her class. Junior class representative, Shania Dorsey. Congratulations to our homecoming representatives.
Now we will present the 2023 Homecoming King and Queen Court. The first Homecoming Queen nominee is Miss Layla Baker. Layla is the daughter of Michael and Athena Baker. She has a younger sister, Jordan Baker, who also attends Calhoun High School. Layla is a member of the Calhoun High School softball team, where she plays shortstop and third base for the Lady Jackets. She is an FCA leader here at Calhoun, and she loves to express her love for Jesus and spread kindness to everyone. Layla is a member of the Beta Club, National Honor Society, Spanish Honor Society, and HOCO. In Layla's spare time, she loves going to church, attending sporting events, playing pickleball, and hanging out with her friends. Layla's favorite teacher is Coach Robertson, and she wants to thank him for always entertaining her during class with his hilarious stories. After high school, Layla plans to attend college and pursue a career in the medical field. Layla would last like to thank all of her classmates for the honor of representing the class of 2024 for the past 4 years. Most of all, she thanks God for this humbling experience. Today, her escort is Homecoming King nominee Bryant Arnold. Bryant is the son of Chase and Kendra Arnold. He has one brother, Cooper, who is a 5th grader at Calhoun Elementary School. Bryant and his family attend Rockbridge Community Church, and Bryant is a member of the CHS football, basketball, and track teams. In addition to playing sports, Bryant is the senior class treasurer, a member of FCA, Beta Club, National Honor Society, French Honor Society, and the Calhoun Student Athlete Leadership Team. In his free time, Bryant enjoys playing golf, working out, watching sports, and hanging out with his friends. After high school, Bryant plans on attending a 4-year college or university, but he is undecided on his major. Bryant would like to thank his friends and teachers for always supporting him during his time here at CHS. Layla Baker and Bryant Arnold.
The second Homecoming Queen nominee is Tammy Vasquez. Tammy is the daughter of Karina and Sammy Vasquez. She has one sister, Ashley, and 2 brothers, Adrian and Giovanni. Tammy is involved with HOCO, FCCLA, Beta, and Spanish Honor Society. She is a member of the Lady Jacket soccer team, historian of the CHS Book Club, and is a National Honor Society officer. This is Tammy's 4th year as Homecoming nominee. Tammy enjoys hiking with her family, spending time with her friends, and going shopping with her mom. Tammy also enjoys homeroom with her favorite teacher, Miss Hughes. After high school, Tammy plans to attend college and pursue a degree in marketing. Tammy is honored to receive the opportunity to represent her peers and would like to thank God for this amazing experience. Her escort this morning is Homecoming King nominee Caden Williams. Caden is the son of Brent and Stephanie Williams. He has one brother, Brody, who is a 7th grader at Calhoun Middle School. Caden is a member of the Calhoun football team and also runs track. Outside of sports, Caden is a member of the National Honor Society, Beta Club, and Spanish Honor Society. He also attends Rockbridge Church. Caden's favorite subject is math, and his favorite teacher is Dr. Johnson. After high school, he plans on early enrolling in January at Liberty University, where he will continue his academic and athletic career and will be majoring in business management. Tammy Vasquez and Caden Williams.
The third Homecoming Queen nominee is Miss Abby Dyer. Abby is the daughter of Lacey and Jonathan Baker. She has 2 sisters, Annalie, a 4th grader at Calhoun Elementary, and Ashlyn, a 2019 graduate. She is a member of HOSA, Beta Club, National Honor Society. Some of Abby's favorite teachers are Coach Robertson, Dr. Marcus, and Mr. Lightman. Her favorite class is pottery. She is a member of Remnant Church in Adairsville, and in her free time, Abby enjoys spending time with her family and loved ones, cheering on the Jackets under the Friday night lights with her friends, and going to Crumble. After high school, she plans on attending a 4-year university and pursuing a career in healthcare. Abby is grateful for all the precious memories and friendships she has made and would like to thank God and her classmates for this amazing opportunity to represent the class of 2024. Her escort is Homecoming King nominee Christopher Ellis. Christopher is the son of Kristen and Michael Rhodes. He has two siblings, Derek and Michaela, who both attend Calhoun City schools. Christopher is a varsity athlete at Calhoun. He plays football and wrestles for Calhoun. Christopher said his favorite class is economics and his favorite teacher is Dr. Johnson. Christopher is thankful to be nominated to represent the class of 2024. After high school, Christopher plans on going to college to pursue a degree in criminal justice. Abby Dyer and Christopher Ellis.
The fourth homecoming queen nominee is Mary Jane McKinnon. Mary Jane is the daughter of Matt McKinnon and Courtney Carroll. She has two bonus parents, David Carroll and Gwen McKinnon. She has one older brother, John Carroll. She attends Elevation Church. Mary Jane enjoys hanging out with her friends in her spare time and attending Calhoun High School events. Her favorite teacher is Miss Chadwick. She wants to sincerely thank her for believing in her and taking the time to build a meaningful friendship. After high school, Mary Jane plans on attending a university where she will major in computer science and minor in English. Mary Jane would like to tell the class of 2024, hardships are temporary and the sun will rise. In this next chapter we are coming upon, remember Psalms 46:10, be still and know that I am God. Lastly, she would like to encourage all CHS students to enjoy this time and cherish every moment. Her escort is homecoming king nominee Christian Washington. Christian is the son of Sydney Washington and Janice Klein. He has three older siblings that attend Dalton State, and he is the youngest of the four. Christian enjoys being on the sidelines on Friday nights supporting the football team. Christian's favorite teacher is Miss Woodman, and he wants to thank her for all the tough times she has helped him through and helped him get where he is today. In his free time, Christian enjoys going to the lake and hanging with his friends and family. Christian wants to thank the class of 2024 for this opportunity. Mary Jane McKinnon and Christian Washington.
The fifth homecoming queen nominee is Presley Harris. Presley Harris is the daughter of Richie and Lisa Harris. She has two sisters, Hannah and Hollis, who are both graduates of Calhoun High School. Presley is a varsity football, competition, and game day cheerleader and aspires to cheer in college while pursuing a degree in early childhood education. She is a member of the French Honor Society and First Baptist Church of Calhoun. In her spare time, she enjoys hanging out with her friends and family and cheering under the Friday night lights with the best crowd and the best band in the land. Presley loves all her teachers, but Miss Chadwick, Dr. Marcus, Dr. Harib, Miss Holcomb, Miss Carter, and Coach Tracy Lester will always hold a special place in her heart. She is thankful and humbled for the many opportunities her fellow classmates have bestowed on her, and she truly loves Calhoun High School and her class of 2024. Her escort today is homecoming king nominee Jonathan Vasquez. Jonathan is the son of Christina and Jorge Vasquez. He has one brother, Yahir. Jonathan is a member of the Calhoun High School soccer team and Calhoun Future Business Leaders of America. He attends St. Clement's Catholic Church in Calhoun. Jonathan said his favorite teacher is Miss Greta Hughes and wants to thank her for all the best memories in homeroom every day. After high school, Jonathan plans to attend college and pursue a career in business. Presley Harris and Jonathan Vasquez.
Your homecoming queen nominees as they will appear on the ballot are Layla Baker, Abby Dyer, Presley Harris, Mary Jane McKinnon, and Tammy Vasquez.
Your Homecoming King nominees as they will appear on the ballot are Brian Arnold, Christopher Ellis, Jonathan Vasquez, Christian Washington, and Caden Williams.
The 2023 CHS Homecoming King will be crowned during pregame of the homecoming game on Friday, September 15th. The 2023 CHS Homecoming Queen will be crowned during halftime of the homecoming game. Remember, students, everyone will be voting for homecoming queen and king. Remember to vote for 2 girls for queen and 2 guys for king. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day. Go Jackets.